And welcome back. And in the previous class, we discussed about just how we can create this frame. And now we are going to look at some of the tools like here. Just already there, these tools are basic tools like rectangle. Just you select this rectangle, and automatically we can see some rectangle out here. And here you can change this color. You can use any of the colors like this. Just a lot of colors in this color palette. And here we can see. And you can use according to your client's requirement based upon your design requirement. And see, this is the color, and here we can see this is the gradient, and here we can see here the base default color is green color. If you want to change any color, you can change it from the color palette over here. And see, this is the last color, and here we can see, and this color is we can put something else. And one more thing, there are two gradients as of now. If you want to add any other color, you can please click the control, click over here. Automatically it will add one more gradient over here. And here we need to change any other color, you can change. And if you want to add any other gradient, you can click control, automatically it will add, so that you can add more number of gradients as per your requirement. Okay. And here one more thing, here we can see there are a lot of options here. Like here, the basic thing is basically set in linear, and you can change, you can change it to angular. And if you want to change to angular and to diamond. Okay. And it purely depends upon your requirement. Okay, alright. And here we can see, and if you want to increase this one, and this line automatically now the gradient is going to adjust, and you can adjust these gradient points like this. See here, and this is the gradient point over here. Alright, and this is about the gradient thing. Just hope you understand about this one. And one more thing, here, if you are familiar with the color codes, directly you can give the color code and automatically it will change the color. And if you want to change this to RGB or CSS or HCF, and if you are familiar with more about these colors, you can use this. Okay, alright. And now coming to here, and here we can see this is known as actually the image. So suppose if you want to insert any image on this rectangle, you click this one, and here we can see choose image. You can directly drag any image from your drive. I am clicking this one. See here, and I pick this image from my drive. I downloaded from the internet this image, and if you increase this one, automatically see here, and it's going to be this image is inserted here on this rectangle. And here we can see some of the color corrections over here. This is the exposure, and this is the contrast. Okay, and basically based upon the image, if you want to color correct the image, you can use this one like tint or anything else, or shadows or anything else. Okay, and coming to here, this one is the video. I don't want to show the video over here, because which we done before for the image, in the same way we need to bring the video. Okay, and I need to put it as default color like this. And okay, alright, and coming to here, here we can see some of the we can see some points out here. What's the points is basically we can make this one into this little bit of roundness. As I said, we also made this one for this frame like little bit roundness for it. In the same way, we can make, and if you want to make purely circle, you can make like this. Okay, and coming to here, we can see some of the things like stroke, and here this is the stroke color. And if you want to give any other color, you can give like this. We can make it. If you want to give the gradient color, you can give the gradient color. Here we can keep them as the gradient color like this to green, and just trying to give some amount. Okay, and now just we can increase the grade little bit. And see here, now we can see the stroke with the grade. Okay, alright, and coming to here, and this is the drop shadow, and this is the layer blur, and this is the inner shadow. And just no need to explain these things very detailedly, because just these are very easy things. And one more thing, and just if you double click this one here, we can see that you get the value. And that means just if you want to increase the blur for the drop shadow, just directly just you can give the enter the value of it. And if you want to change the distance value, that means just here is the 4x4 default. Just if you want to make any 9x9, and see how automatically it will change. And here this is default, it's 25%. If you want to make any like 75%, the drop shadow value will be more and the drop shadow thickness will be more. See here. Okay, and in the same way just we can do with the layer blur and the inner shadow as well as the same, and the layer blur, background blur, everything. And just everything is same, just we need to click this one, automatically we can we can change the value. Okay guys, and that's it about these things, and just hope you understand. And in the same way just we can use the ellipse tool, also the same, just here, and same with the same thing like color, gradients, image and everything. And there is nothing different with this one. And coming to here we can see the line, and this line is also the same. If you click this line, and here we can see we don't have any fill for line, just only the stroke. Just we can see, and we can increase the stroke little bit. And here just is, as of now we have the, if you click the none, the edges are looking very sharp, and if you want edges to be round, just click this round button. And just if you want line arrow, just you can click, and this is the triangle arrow, and this is the reverse triangle, and this is the circular arrow, and this is the diamond arrow. And based upon your design requirement, just you can use these tools out here. Okay, and this is also the same. Okay, and hope you understand this section. And coming to here, this is the place image or video. Just if you want to insert any image, and see here, and just I am inserting this place image over here to this circle. See, automatically this is inserted. Okay guys, and hope you understand about these tools in this class, about this rectangle tool and the ellipse tool and polygon, everything. Just I explained very clearly. And just now I'm going to wrap up this video, and in the next class just we are going to learn about some other tools in the Figma. And thank you for watching this class.